Welcome to another cooking and baking video from your Culver-Stockton Dining Services team. Christina, your assistant director here, bringing you a short video for how to boil eggs. Let's dive right in. Start by placing your desired amount of eggs in a pot and cover them with cold water. They should not be overcrowded in the pan. Turn your stovetop to a high heat and bring the eggs to a rapid boil. As soon as the water starts to boil, set yourself a 10-minute timer. This will give you a fully cooked yolk. Place a lid on top of the pan and do not remove until the timer is up. You will also need to turn off your heat source while the eggs are covered. If you would like a softer yolk for your boiled egg, decrease your cooking time between 4 to 8 minutes. The less the time, the softer the yolk. Once your time is up, you will need to scare the eggs by running them under very cold water or immersing them in a prepared ice bath for 5 or more minutes. Gently tap the egg against a hard surface and peel away the shell. Rinse your egg and remove any small pieces of shell that might still be attached. Enjoy right away or place in a covered dish in the refrigerator for later. We hope you've enjoyed this quick how-to on the perfect hard-boiled egg. We miss you all very much and hope you're doing well. Until next time, stay safe and have fun in the kitchen.